livelihood and business mentoring care of Bonegosyo and all our private sector partners. So why am I saying this? Because every time the Love for All team meets, we always remind ourselves that this is just an extension of what my husband always says, which is, lagi po natin mahalin ang Pilipinas, lagi po natin mahalin ang Pilipino.